Hi, this is Sarah from the Designer Teacher and Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the June 2020 Teacher Care Crate. The first thing you'll notice is that we have a brand new custom printed box this month. I hope you all love it as much as I do. Also wanted to say, if you hear any snorting or snoring noises, that's because I have a pug on my lap. This is Hippo. This month's theme is Tropical Teacher, and when you first open up your crate, you'll see this month's info card, and this just tells you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. Next up, we have this month's 5x7 art print. This was designed by Sarah of Creative School Days. It says, "So long school, hello pool," with these beautiful pastel colors. Next, we have some really cute little paper clips. These are gold pineapples and pink flamingos. There's 3 of each. So these are great for keeping your place in your planner, or of course you can hold on to them for the school year to use for your papers. Make all that grading a little more fun. Next up, we have this raspberry sun base. This is from Sensoray, and this is an all-natural sunscreen. So this has zinc oxide in it, and that's an all-natural sun protection. And when you need some more, you just push it up. And this is also, this container is great for the environment because it's all recyclable and no plastic. Okay. Next, we have these super cute stickers from Compendium. I love these because these are like the best of both worlds. It's a sticker sheet, but they also are vinyl. So you can use it for your water bottle or your phone or your laptop. Again, I will probably just use these in my planner. If you're not a sticker person, you can of course also hold on to these to use for student papers. Next, we have a soap. This is from Blue Oak Farm. She's a regular contributor to Teacher Care Crate. I'm not going to try to say this name in French, even though I took French in high school and college, but it has a really nice light geranium scent. That's great for washing your hands, which we're all doing a lot of these days, or just keeping in the shower as well. Next, we have these really cute gold pineapple earrings. They're really small and delicate, and they'll just be a super cute addition to any summer outfit. Next, we have a waterproof pouch. It says "Out with grades, in with shades," and I thought this would be perfect for taking to the pool or beach so that you can keep your phone, sunglasses, keys, to keep them from getting wet, or to keep them from getting sand on them. I live by the lake, and I hate getting like sand in like my phone cover and stuff like that. So that's great for that. Next, we have this month's treat. This is the first time we've done mints. These are green tea mints with a tropical mango flavor from Sencha Natural, sugar-free. There's 40 mints in here, and it comes in a little resealable container. Next, this is our last item for the month. Yours will come in a wrap. I just didn't want you to hear the crinkling noise, and as you can see, I'm wearing it. This is a silky flamingo print scarf. I love the colors on here, navy pink, and then also a little bit of teal for the beaks. You can wear this around your neck. You can wear it as a headband. You can wear it even as if you need a sort of last minute face cover when you're out, it'll work for that too, or as a head wrap. So I can't wait to see how all you subscribers style this scarf. So that is everything that comes in the June 2020 Tropical Teacher Care Crate. Again, you have your silky flamingo scarf. You have your Out with Grades, in with shades, pool or beach pouch. You have your tropical mango green tea mints. Your all natural sun base. Your geranium scented soap. Tropical sticker sheet. Have these all over the place, but you have your gold pineapple and pink flamingo paper clips, your gold pineapple earrings, your art print, and of course, just your info card. So if you are not already subscribed, make sure you head to teachercarecrate.com by June 14th to go ahead and subscribe to make sure you get the June 2020 Tropical Teacher Care Crate. Thanks for watching.